The most popular asparagus are the white and the green one. The white one is milder and more delicate than the green one. It is also sweet and nutty in flavor, but if not rightly prepared, can be very bitter. After watching this video, you will say goodbye to bitter white asparagus. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Annie Krieger. First, you want to get your white asparagus ready. Again, you will get a suitable bright pot to bring 2 to 3 liters of water to a gentle cook. This is how you should peel your asparagus. You want to hold down to the board. If you try holding it this way and peel, it will end up breaking. Press it down to your board and peel from the middle downwards. Now that part can be very bitter and woody. Let me use this time to say a very big thank you to my returning subscribers. You guys are the best. And if this is your first time coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Now, this channel purpose is to bring amazing people to countries they've never been before through my recipe, through my cuisine, continental and intercontinental dishes. So if you love to see all this, please kindly stay connected by subscribing to my channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell just to be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you so much for doing so. This is how to know how much you should cut off from your asparagus, about 1 to 2 centimeters. That part can be very woody depending on how fresh and thick your white asparagus are. You get your knife and keep trying. By the time you get the perfect place to cut off, you will feel it, okay? So if you get that done, get a spaghetti, which is your cooking rope. You want to secure portion wise like this. This will prevent it from breaking while you cook, and also it is easier to scoop out. If you have watched this far, you are the best. Thank you so much for doing so. Please kindly hit the like button for me if you haven't already done so. Thank you so much. This will go a long way for me, so please kindly do so. Here is that moment you have been waiting for, how to get rid of bitterness in your asparagus. After trying this recipe out, that will be the end of bitter asparagus in your cuisine. Go ahead and run it through a running water to get rid of any dust or dirt, and then introduce to your pot. The water shouldn't be boiling at the time you introduce your asparagus. Now here are the 5 components you should not skip. With these 5 things, it will be the end of the bitterness. Okay, so a butter cube is about 40 to 50 grams of butter. I have half kilo of asparagus. Introduce that to your pot, add in lemon slice, add in more like 1 tablespoon of salt, 1.5 tablespoon of sugar, and a slice of bread, white bread. Now with these 5 components, you will have no trace of bitterness. I bet you it's the end of it. And now those white bread and all those components will absorb the bitterness in the asparagus and leave you with nothing but a sweet and nutty white asparagus. And that's it. I've cooked mine for about 9 minutes. You should cook about 8 to 12 minutes, depending on how thick it is. And here we go. It is ready to enjoy. Very simple, very fast. You can pair with anything of your choice. So I love to pair with sauce hollandaise. I have that recipe on my channel. I'll leave the link up here, okay, on the card. You can also make use of it for soup, some risotto, some asparagus risotto, or sauce vinaigrette. I will be pairing with pan-grilled salmon with a creamy white wine butter sauce and some boiled potato, and that's it, guys. Very simple. This recipe, the salmon recipe and white wine butter sauce, will be coming up next. So if you want to see that recipe, please stick around by subscribing to my channel if you haven't already done so. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, leave your opinion in the comment section, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye for now.